Let's go through some of the predictive maintenance and quality administrative tasks. Let's start with the integration bus and show how various message flows are required for data input and orchestration inside of the PMQ environment. Starting with this flow, we have master data, such as the site locations being pulled into the PMQ environment. Here's a flow where measurement types, such as temperature, are being loaded into the data schema. This next flow shows how events can be input via batch or real time. Here, batch data is collected and parsed for the into the appropriate profile for update. In this next message flow, we show how events are used to update the profile. Here, an event integration input is the output of a modeler score. The score, as we saw in the demo, is part of the profile as soon as it's taken. So the profile is updated using this message flow automatically. In this last two message flows, we show how modeler is called invoked when required, when the profile is updated and that all the data has arrived in the appropriate and collected in the appropriate order. It's only then presented to modeler for scoring. In certain situations, the modeler output needs to produce a work order. So this is the message flow for how modeler is used to produce that work order for, in this case, moving into a maximal environment. Here we have modeler itself shown. We have the model details shown here where the fields are shown of temperature, seal age, pressure, humidity, etc., and the target or health score is being shown. The model itself we looked at earlier. It's a decision tree that uses multiple variables, humidity, fluid manufacturer, temperature, to represent the health score. It's only a combination of those variables that result in a lower health score. And you can look at that from, an administrator can look at that inside of Modeler within the PMQ environment. Here we have how decision management combines the statistical output along with the institutional knowledge. That institutional knowledge are represented by either sometimes you inspect or maintain, perform maintenance, or you do other functions. Here, the recommended actions of flushing, replacing, seal, replace, or inspecting a drill arm based on certain rules are captured. Here, within Optimize, based on the statistical result along with the business rules that are input, only then will a certain action be recommended. This decision management environment is available for PMQ administrators. We mentioned earlier how master data can be manipulated or entered through our integration bus, but it can also be entered or edited through another tool within PMQ called Master Data Management. Here we've created inside of PMQ a standard simple template where business users have a safe and easy place to enter data, master data. In this case, we're adding a new machine number 9 into the environment. From that simple configuration, now a new machine is added, and they didn't need to go into the database, or they didn't need to go into a tool like the integration bus to perform this function. That concludes the administrative tasks for the demonstration. Thank you for your attention.